I'm Dr. Deuk. I'm here with the Deuk Spine Institute, Deuk Joint Institute, as the CEO and founder. A new study has just been published. They found that artificial joints, like artificial knees, artificial hips, artificial shoulders, which are made out of metal and plastic, these artificial joints are producing small fragments of metal that are getting into patients' bloodstreams and are being disseminated throughout their bodies, but particularly to their spinal fluid. Now, the spinal fluid is what bathes your brain and spinal cord and coats them in this nice, wet, lubricating material that provides nutrients. Without getting into a lot of detail about that, we're going to talk about the effect of these metal wear fragments from artificial joints on the brain. They are neurotoxic. Neurotoxic means that these metals get into that spinal fluid and they're damaging to the nerves in your brain and spinal cord. That study was just published. It's very important to understand the implications. The number of artificial knee replacements are on the rise worldwide. More and more orthopedic surgeons are recommending total knee replacements and partial knee replacements for degenerative joint disease affecting the knee joints, even the hips and the shoulders. But knee joint replacements are expected to reach over 4 million procedures in the United States in the next 10 years. With all these artificial knees going in, there's going to be a tremendous amount of wear of the metal on metal with the movement that creates these micro and nano particles of metal, which are now getting into the bloodstream and getting throughout your body, and it's causing toxicity to the nerves in the brain, which can then cause dementia. Dementia is the loss of cognitive functions of your brain, trouble with memory, trouble with language, trouble with thinking and processing. So what's the alternative? The best alternative is to look into Deuk Joint Institute's new procedure called the Deuk plasma rhizotomy. This is an FDA-approved, patented procedure where instead of replacing your joint, we just go in with a small cut that's 4 millimeters. We actually destroy the pain nerves to the joint, and all this is done outpatient in about 30 minutes. The recovery is 30 minutes from the procedure, and you're back on your feet the next day. Knee replacement has long known to be a long recovery, over a year recovery from knee replacement surgery. And now we know that those artificial joints have toxic effects on your brain and spinal cord. It's even a better reason to consider the Deuk plasma rhizotomy, with a 90% success rate at eliminating knee pain from degenerative joint disease. So if you know somebody who's considering artificial joints for their knees, their hips, their shoulders, check out Deuk Joint Institute and Deuk Spine Institute. We have a solution that does not involve any knee replacement, minimally invasive and outpatient, and highly successful with just a 4 millimeter incision. Thank you.